How to hold comments for moderation on TikTok. Basically what this will do is make it so you have to manually approve all comments before they actually appear on your videos. So start out on your profile page here. Next, tap on the icon with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. On this page, tap on Privacy. Scroll down to the Interaction section. Then, tap on Comments. The option you're looking for is Filter All Comments, which is the second one down under this Comment Filter section. Go ahead and toggle that on. Basically, once this is turned on, no comments will appear automatically under your videos. You'll need to manually approve each one. To find the comments for you to approve, go down to the bottom under this Comment Management section and tap on Review Filtered Comments. Now, I don't have any here, but once people do leave comments on your videos, you'll need to go to this page to approve them before they'll actually appear on your videos. That's all there is to it. Before you go, check this out.